How to disable dark mode in Microsoft Copilot. Is your Microsoft Copilot stuck in dark mode? Here's how to switch it back to light mode in seconds. So first and foremost, open Microsoft Copilot on your browser or app. And then go ahead and click on this three dots at the bottom left of your screen and then select settings from here. Head over to general and then you'd find appearance under this. So go ahead and select light and that will allow you to switch back to light and disable dark mode on your Microsoft Copilot. And that is how to disable dark mode in Microsoft Copilot.